My name is Marie Astrid Mancé from Paris. I am a ballet dancer in Ballet Black company based in London. Didn't really started ballet because I wanted to do it. My father was a big fan of ballerinas. I started ballet, I was 5 years old. I had my first class and I thought it was really boring. They were talking about butterflies, about like nice feet, about like fairy tales, and where I come from, there is none of that. I wanted to run with my dad, play football, do things like this. And so when they put me in this ballet class, I was like, wait a minute, what are you doing here? Like I'm not agree to point my feet, and it's painful. It's so painful. I was dancing from 8 to 12. After I will go to school, finish at 4, and I will go to private classes and finish at midnight sometimes. Teacher saw a potential in me, and she said to my parents she needs to keep going. So I had no choice to I couldn't stop most of my time with her in the studio. And when she realized that she said that I was unique, I was very expressive, I was a hard worker. She decided to give me private lessons. My parents didn't have much money because classical dance ballet is very, very expensive. So she even say my parents sometimes she doesn't have to pay anything. Later on, she say I should try to go to the Conservatoire of Paris. I failed twice to go in the school. The first time I was devastated. I remember crying, and my mom was like, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. It's not done. It's okay. You just have to work harder. And if they don't want you here, we will find somewhere when they will accept you as you are. I remember the second time when I came back, I was much more confident. I was more mature in my dancing. When I was rejected, most of the time I will apologize in the space just for being me with these pink shoes and pink tights who doesn't match my skin color at all. When I came back with my mom, I could feel that the rage of my mom was with me, and I was like, I can do this, I can do this. At the third time, they accepted me, and I've been directed to the second year. And I was really proud. But before that, the problem was my skin color. People were saying that I was very talented, but my skin color was definitely a problem because they didn't see much, I guess, dark skinned woman doing ballet. When I went in the conservatoire, I was the only one, or it was another girl. And they treated us differently. Dancing until midnight was nothing for me if at the end of the day I will reach my goal. And this is the age, when you meet boys, when you go to party, when you get drunk, when you discover life, love. I was not like this at all that I wanted is have a contract, be recognized as, at the time, the first ballerina, black ballerina, and that's it. That was my goal. My teacher were telling me that, Marie, you're amazing, you're great, you're really talented, you blow everybody minds, but maybe you have to leave France and go abroad. And I was saying, why? Like, if you tell me I'm talented, why I can't have a job in France? And she's told me, I don't think France is ready for that. There is another teacher who told me, look, like, you do so many jokes, and like, we always laugh with you, and you have such a good understanding about your body, and you're grounded, and you're from the street and the ghetto. I mean, why you don't do hip hop? And I was like, "Oh, wow, just because I come from the suburb and I'm black, I can say that now because I'm 27. And when that happened, I was, I think, 16. So it's a lot of stereotypes that I went through from a young age. Our parents, our grandparents, our aunties and uncle always tell us you have to work harder to prove to people that you deserve this job. And I will see other people who didn't, you know, dance until midnight. Yes, talented, but it was not the same thing. And you can see that there is a problem in the ballet industry because it's not only there is no, at the time, black ballerinas, there is no black teachers, there is no black choreographers, there is no black directors. So it's like it doesn't exist. That's why now I keep talking about black representation everywhere. And I know we are everywhere, but for a long time, and the longest time in France, we were hidden. When I dance, I can be whatever I am, whoever I am. I'm not really a gender anymore. I feel like I'm free. I feel like I can touch the floor and that my body can do whatever it wants. I will say to all black little girls who want to do ballet, or boys who want to do ballet, try to have a circle who support you for who you are, and try to stick and remember where you come from. I will say find a black dancer or ballerina to have a mentor, and like that you never by yourself, and just keep going. Follow this voice who tell you that you can be a ballerina or a ballet dancer, and I promise you nothing gonna stop you, nothing.